Every time you step onto a cruise ship, you're walking into a carefully designed money-making machine that's expertly crafted to separate you from your hard-earned cash. After polling thousands of seasoned cruisers and analyzing spending patterns across major cruise lines, we've uncovered the 11 biggest money traps that veteran passengers refuse to fall for. These insider secrets could save you hundreds or even thousands on your next sailing. The moment you board, professional photographers start snapping away, creating those perfectly posed memories they'll try to sell you later. Here's what the cruise lines don't want you to know about their photo packages. In today's world, we're carrying cameras more powerful than professional equipment from just a few years ago right in our pockets. Those staged embarkation photos with fake ship backgrounds and forced smiles? Expert cruisers skip them entirely. The packages often cost upwards of $200, and honestly, the quality rarely justifies the price. Your candid shots capture genuine moments that posed photos simply can't match. The only exception might be special occasions like weddings or milestone anniversaries. But for regular vacations, your smartphone will serve you far better than overpriced ship photography. But that's just the beginning of how cruise lines target your wallet. Those elegant art auctions you see advertised throughout the ship represent one of the industry's most profitable schemes. The free champagne and prints they offer for attending are simply bait to get you in the door. What many passengers don't realize is that most pieces in these galleries are mass-produced prints with strategically added brushstrokes to create artificial texture and dimension. The same artwork selling for thousands on the ship can often be found online or in galleries on land for a fraction of the cost. Industry insiders report that markup on cruise ship art can exceed 300%. The high-pressure sales tactics and artificial scarcity they create during auctions are designed to make you spend impulsively on vacation rather than making thoughtful purchasing decisions at home. Speaking of overpriced services, the ship's spa and salon present another major money trap that experienced cruisers consistently avoid. While the idea of a relaxing massage or fresh haircut sounds appealing during your vacation, you're paying premium prices for services that cost significantly less on land. A massage that might cost $80 at your local spa could easily run $150 or more on the ship. Beyond the inflated prices, you're spending precious vacation time in dark treatment rooms instead of enjoying the ocean views and activities you've already paid for. If you absolutely must indulge, wait for port days when spas often offer discounts, or ask about day passes to thermal suites rather than expensive individual treatments. The casino represents perhaps the most obvious money drain on any cruise ship, yet thousands of passengers lose significant amounts every sailing. Cruise lines strategically place casinos in high-traffic areas and keep them windowless to disconnect you from the passage of time. What's particularly telling is that cruise lines without casinos, like Disney and Viking, charge higher base fares because they're not subsidizing costs with gambling profits. Reports suggest that average cruise ship casinos generate over $100,000 per week from passenger losses. Expert cruisers recognize that every dollar lost gambling is money that could have been spent on experiences or saved for future trips. The same logic applies to bingo games, which are essentially gambling in disguise with lower stakes but similar house advantages. Shore excursions represent another area where cruise lines inflate prices dramatically while delivering subpar experiences. The markup on cruise line tours can reach 200% compared to booking similar experiences independently. Those cattle-herding bus tours that rush you through multiple stops for photo opportunities and jewelry sales are designed for profit, not memorable experiences. Savvy travelers research destinations in advance and book directly with local operators or use platforms like Viator to find authentic experiences at better prices. A private tour that costs less than the cruise line's group option often provides more personalization and flexibility. The key is doing research before you sail rather than relying on expensive ship-sponsored options. Internet access presents an interesting dilemma that divides experienced cruisers into two camps. While some view cruising as an opportunity to completely disconnect from the digital world, others need or want connectivity for various reasons. Those who choose to stay offline often report more relaxing and immersive vacation experiences. If you do need occasional internet access, check your cellular provider's international plans, which might offer better value than ship Wi-Fi for use in ports. Some carriers include international texting and limited data at no extra charge, allowing you to stay connected without paying premium ship internet rates. The jewelry shops and their elaborate raffle promotions represent yet another carefully orchestrated sales strategy. Those free raffle entries and complimentary appraisals are designed to get you into the store where high-pressure sales tactics take over. The markup on cruise ship jewelry often exceeds what you'd find at airport duty-free shops, which are already known for inflated prices. The same applies to jewelry stores in popular cruise ports like Diamonds International, which have exclusive partnerships with cruise lines and share profits from passenger purchases. Unless you're an experienced jewelry buyer who knows how to evaluate quality and pricing, it's best to admire the sparkly displays and keep walking. Bottled water represents a smaller but consistent expense that adds up over the course of a cruise. While cruise ship tap water is perfectly safe and heavily filtered, many passengers still purchase water packages out of habit or preference. The irony is that you're getting the same water from your cabin faucet that you'd get from bottles, just without the plastic packaging. Bringing a reusable water bottle serves multiple purposes. It saves money, reduces plastic waste, and proves invaluable during port excursions where staying hydrated is crucial. Most ships have water stations throughout public areas where you can refill bottles with the same filtered water they're selling in plastic containers. Specialty dining represents one of the more debatable expenses among cruise veterans. While some view specialty restaurants as overpriced when excellent food is already included in your fare, others consider them worthwhile splurges for special occasions. The key is understanding what you're paying for versus what's already available. Many specialty restaurants offer dishes and preparations you can't get in the main dining room, but others simply provide the same ingredients with fancier presentation. If you're on a tight budget, the included dining options on modern ships are often quite impressive and varied enough to satisfy most tastes throughout your cruise. The most controversial topic among cruisers might be drink packages, which require careful mathematical analysis to determine value. Most packages require you to consume 6 to 8 alcoholic beverages daily just to break even, a pace that's unrealistic for many travelers. The packages become even less valuable if you prefer beer or wine over premium cocktails, or if you don't drink every day of your cruise. However, packages can provide value for heavy drinkers or those who consume many premium non-alcoholic beverages, like specialty coffees and fresh juices. The convenience factor of not tracking individual purchases appeals to some cruisers, but it's expensive convenience that often results in overpaying for drinks you might not have ordered otherwise. Understanding these money traps isn't about being cheap or missing out on vacation fun. It's about making informed decisions with your money and recognizing when cruise lines are offering genuine value versus taking advantage of the vacation mindset that makes people spend impulsively. The most satisfied cruisers are those who plan ahead, research their options, and choose to splurge strategically on experiences that truly matter to them rather than falling for every marketing scheme designed to inflate their final bill. Your cruise fare already includes an incredible amount of entertainment, dining, and experiences, so focus on enjoying what you've already paid for while being selective about additional purchases that genuinely enhance your vacation.